Welcome to Daily English Words TV.
Welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will learn 25 daily use English verbs. Listen and repeat after me. 1. Eat. Eat. I eat food every day. 2. Drink. Drink. I drink water. 3. Sleep. Sleep. I sleep at night. 4. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up in the morning. 5. Walk. Walk. I walk every day. 6. Run. Run. I run in the park. 7. Sit. Sit. I sit on a chair. 8. Stand. Stand. I stand up. 9. Open. Open. I open the door. 10. Close. Close. I close the window. 11. Read. Read. I read a book. 12. Write. Write. I write a letter. 13. Speak. Speak. I speak English. 14. Listen. Listen. I listen carefully. 15. Watch. Watch. I watch TV. 16. Cook. Cook. I cook food. 17. Clean. Clean. I clean my room. 18. Wash. Wash. I wash my hands. 19. Buy. Buy. I buy food. 20. Sell. Sell. I sell items. 21. Drive. Drive. I drive a car. 22. Work. Work. I work every day. 23. Study. Study. I study English. 24. Play. Play. I play games. 25. Help. Help. I help people. Great job! Now you know 25 daily English verbs. Like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you. See you in my next video.